It's a gorgeous sunny day. I'm in the London Borough of Merton and we're at South Merton, London's 8th least used station.
The station opened in 1929 as part of the Wimbledon and Sutton Railway and was for its first year the terminus of this branch until work was complete and reached Sutton the following year in 1930. The station is on the Sutton Loop, which Thameslink trains primarily serve, although in the peak hours there are additional services which stop here which run to and from London Bridge. South Merton is just a short walk away from the Northern Line station at Morden, which may explain why it's not that busy. And because it's not that busy, the facilities here are sparse too, with no barriers, just a single ticket machine, a permit to travel machine and a bike rack. Hell, there's a single shelter on the platform too. The station is in a residential area with no sign of schools, shops or businesses that may want to commute to or from here. In fact, the whole of the loop between Wimbledon and Sutton is not very heavily used, and the next station down the line is also in the top 10 of the least used stations, which will feature later. Although it's located on a busy main road, once you get down to the platform level, it becomes quite quiet, with just the sound of birds in the trees, and it's weird to think that you're at a station that's located in the Zone 4 travel card area. We also think it may just be the only station in London that has a healthy patch of grass running down the centre of its island platform, lovely on a sunny day to walk along. And here are the passenger numbers, as provided by the Office of Rail and Road for the 2015 to 2016 period. South Merton is the 8th least used station in Greater London with just 139,816 passengers a year. That's just 383 people per day. We'll reveal what the other stations are as we count down London's least used stations in this series.